Hello there, welcome to Learn by YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn MS Visio 2016 for beginners. In this video tutorial, cover all the basic fundamental things in the MS Visio 2016. MS Visio use professional software to draw flowcharts, diagrams and schematics in the business environment. For For learning purposes, we're going to choose blank drawing. It's easy to understand. For selecting, so you have to create blank drawing and choose US units for our page. Then it's come a blank sheet, and let's check whether there's design parts. Okay, let's I need to orientation. Need to select portrait. It's already in portrait mode, so need to A4 size. Let's click in size and select A4. Okay, now paper will set for A4 sheet. Now check whether there is a rule and so on. Let's go to view tab and ruler and grid and guides are already set. So now try to create a flowchart. Start creating a flowchart. Let's go to click more shapes. Go to flowchart, basic flowchart slips. Then it's showing the basic flowchart slips. So for inserting this, we have to click in this and drag it. Process and winners decision and end. Okay. This is our flowchart. Control and scroll button. Scrolling, zooming this page. Now let's connect this using a connector. For that we need to click connector, this one, and this showing these points. This point, click right clicking it, and we can do like that. Click this point and this point, then okay. So let's go to add some text. For that we have to double click this and start. Okay, on this one we have, let's assume study. Okay, then let's pass or fail. And end. Oh, finish. Let's finish. Okay, and we have to, in this relationship, not relationship, this decision need to give a pass or fail. Need to another connector that's connect to this. Okay, now it's complete. Now this blue drop, blue line have to click and you can adjust the this our want. Okay, and this is a basic flowchart. Let's mm, let's type this point and give some details. Fail, Okay, I will give this. Double clicking in this line, we give text field and we can enter the text what we want. The basic flowchart in this. Now we give these connectors for arrows showing directions. Let's go to a line and select arrows and we give what we want. So this one, okay, and select this line and select line arrows. We need this one, okay, and this will give arrows now. Okay, this one, okay, and minus arrows. Okay, this one, okay. Let's give some colors for this flowchart. We'll select this and give some this one line. We can give like this, okay. And if you give a filling a color, can use like this, selecting, okay, okay, like this. Now it's finished. Okay, and we can try insert new pictures. And let's go download someone. We can use pictures and formatting. We can use brightness. We can uh, we can increase by 15, 10, 5 as normal photo, and brightness reduce him 5%, 10%, 15. I'll keep this like 10. Let me check contrast showing the image. This now normal 15%. Like that we can change the contrast also. We can also crop this image necessary. So the format is we can mm, rotate this and choosing this view. So mm, let's give some colors for this flowchart. We'll select this and give some this one line. We can give like this, okay. And if you give a filling a color, can use like this, selecting, okay, okay, like this. Now it's finished. Okay, and we can try insert new pictures. And let's go download someone. We can use pictures and formatting. We can use brightness. We can we can increase by 15, 10, 5 as normal photo, and brightness reduce him 5%, 10%, 15. I'll keep this like 10. Let me check contrast showing the image. This now normal 15%. Like that we can change the contrast also. We can also crop this image necessary. So the format is we can mm, rotate this and choosing this view. So mm, now let's try we insert new shapes. Rectangle we can create like this. Rectangle, clips, line, this one, and this one, lines. Yum, 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 So we can select this one and, and go to more shapes, new stencil US units, and we can add here and we can put there, and again now we have stitch. We can use anytime like a stencil, only we need to. Okay, let's do some things. Drawing a rectangle and let's do another one. Okay, so after I take a point tool and I want to this one appear in, so I will select this, bring to font. Now this one see first and this one see in last, and we can insert chart for this Visio. For that we have go to insert chart, and it's showing sheet, Excel sheet. We can update this Excel sheet and take details. And after that we can take what where we want in this chart. Uh, and we can see this print preview, actually not a print preview, it is uh, uh, presentation mode. Actually it's a presentation mode, it's show the presentation. This is the entire page that show this your page. We can close this, right click and close, only just clicking on presentation mode. This is the basic fundamental things in Visio. You can try it and learn this Visio application software. So please subscribe Lion Boy channel, give thumbs up, give some comments about this video series. Okay, let's see another video about how to draw network diagram, and let's see you guys.